Okay guys, pag-uusapan na natin itong price action ni Grass dito kung ano yung tingin natin. So binigyan natin ito ng ideas for the past couple of weeks, no? So ito nagkaroon na ng pagtaas ng presyo. Ayan, tumama na siya doon almost 4 USDT, no? So dito I think I give perspective dito when the price is around if I'm not mistaken around 80 cents. So meron tayong mga video niyan. Share ko din sana itong idea dito sa Grass sa Epoch 1 kung paano makakuha ng malaking earnings. Pero laptop lang yung gamit ko. Abang-abang na lang sa mga video natin na gagawin in the next coming days, kasi sa desktop bibigyan ko na example at sa cellphone guys, no, kung paano doon nakaka-earn ng ano yung strategy, no, kung paano makapag-earn, ma-maximize yung earnings doon kay Grass sa stage to, no? So discuss natin yan in the next coming days. Pero for now guys, sa price action tayo dito ni Grass, as well as ano yung mga open positions ko dito. Like we have 4 positions, ayan. And kahit pa paano we have some profits, meron tayong negative. Discuss natin yan guys dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So yun nga, andito tayo ngayon sa chart ni Grass on sa 4 hours time frame. Ayan, as we can see, ito yung structure niya. Nagkaroon na siya dito ng breakdown doon sa diagonal support zone natin and serve as a resistance na ito. Pero in my own opinion guys, I just draw diagonal trend line dito. And then nagkaroon siya dito ng almost a potential resistance guys, na if ever man na magkaroon ito ng pagtaas ng presyo. Pero if ever man na i-retest niya ito, potentially pwede siyang mauntog and magkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo, since this zone is a magnet zone. Itong area na to nasa 1.86 territory, 1.2 around that zone guys, no? So for me, this zone will support, no, will act as a vital support if ever magkaroon ng retracement. Kasi as per checking din sa retracements natin dito, this will act as, if I'm not mistaken, 0.618 territory. If we measure this area, if dito tayo kumuha ng starting impulse guys, no? So within this area, this is a potential 0.618 golden ratio ng price action. Pero momentum wise, kailangan nyo munang i-retest ito guys, no? So in my own opinion guys, again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, no, for reference. It doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito, especially sa mga nagtatanong ano yung tingin ko dito kay Grass. Upside scenario natin guys, kailangan niyang basagin itong red line ito guys, no, dito sa cross ng blue, tapos itong kulay pula na ito, approximately around 3.05 in USDT. Kailangan niya basagin to for the change ng momentum guys, no, change of trend. If ever na mabasag niya ito, there's a high probability ng continuation sa upside. Pero yung isa sa tinitingnan ko dito na probabilities for this price action is that yung kanyang paggalaw dito muna sa area ng dito, no. So we can see some corrective and then potentially impulse retest dito and then another corrective guys, no. So yan yung isa sa tinitingnan ko dito na probabilities for Grass. And as of now, if ever man I contest ko to guys, no. So since I discussed this one, I have this setup, like for example, limit order lang ako dito sa gilid. Yan, limit. Tapos, limit price ko 2.7 if ever man na i-retest niya tong zone na ito in this area, in this zone, no. So, if ever na i-retest niya, mati-trigger to. Magkakaroon ako dito ng positions. TPSL ko, TP area is that itong zone na ito. If i-penetrate man niya yan. SL ko, if ever na magkaroon ng negative catalyst pa at drawdown yung price action, 2.47 guys, no, doon sa support zone. Kasi if ever na magkaroon ng breakdown pa dito, potentially pwede niyang balikan yung 1.80 to 1.83 around, maybe I would say 2 USDT guys to. So yun, I'll just contest this one lang guys. I'll need to just buy long for this one. And yung setup neto guys is almost 1:1 lang din naman. Like this setups guys, no? So ganyan yung setups ko dito for grass as of now, 2.4. So yan, ganyan yung pinaka-setup guys. We'll see if ever man na-test na to or mapunta ng price action, is that potentially pwede siyang magkaroon ng positions dito. So yun yung idea ko dito for grass. And yun, yung official link neto na ginagamit natin is nasa description ng video nito. Pwede nyong puntahan. And meron na ding pinaka-discounts. Pwede sa cellphone, meron tayong tutorials in part ng video. Share ko din sa inyo. And para din makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no? So dito rin, we have some positions. Yan, like for example, ayan, 38 USDT, meron tayong negative 8.22 USDT. Ayan, yun yung mga open positions natin. Malilit lang to guys, no? 20 USDT. Ayan, tapos 8 USDT, 14, 16 USDT, no? So, yun, sa mga nagtatanong guys, hindi ko pa mapapakita yung pinaka-actual dito kung paano. Kasi desktop yung gamit ko guys, pero in the next coming days, share ko dito yung perspective ideas. For now, yung price action ni Grass. Currently, I'm contesting this one for like swing scalping. I would say swing trades na rin ito guys, no? Kasi naka-limit order ako dito. And yun, hope you get some insights dito kay Grass. Meron tayong tutorials gamit yung cellphone. Lalay ko na lang dito sa screen ng video na ito. And you can watch that one for ideas guys. That's it for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.